Hi YouTube, this is a Smirnoff Ice shotgun video. It's 700 milliliters and it's 4% volume. This is for tagger07 and waquzy111. So I've got the straws roughly to length. I'll just piece them together. I've never done anything of this volume before, so it might not glide altogether everywhere. But it's all about giving it a go. That's what I'll do. I'll give it a go. A little bit more for that. Remember not to hold it too tight. There we go. Oh, a little bit cold. That tastes really nice. It's like traditional lemonade. Tagger07, waquzy111. Cheers then. Ta-ra.